Hi, today I would like to talk to you about three phases of life. Of course, you have got childhood and then maturity and old age that you have. Not that part of it. A different way I would like to look at it. At one stage, that is your phase one of life, you're the one who receives all the resources, the benefits and good things the society has created, all the love, all the institutions. You enjoy a family, you enjoy a school, you enjoy education, you enjoy all what this country can afford to give you. You have been on the receiving end as phase one. There's a very small short phase that we quite often confuse and miss out, is that phase when you are shifting from phase one to phase three, where you are actually preparing yourself to go to the phase three. That is the phase when you are actually getting ready to deliver. And that's the third phase that you have got, when you start yourself contributing to the institution from where you have benefited. You contribute to health, to administration, to education, to research and whatnot that you have got. You start giving in the third stage. Today I'm going to talk about the second phase that you have got. This is the shortest phase that you have got. And then when you are trying to go to the third phase, when you are the contributor, it's not a straight linear connect that you have got. It's not that something that you received, and then from the next day you start contributing. No, there is something invisible phase in between the two. That is when you are actually collecting all the energy, preparing yourself to be able to give. You want to give at this level, this sector, that level. There is a small gap that you have got, and that is what is where I think good number of young population is actually existing. I would like to tell you about this stage. There are three things that you should stay away from. These three things, I would call it, is a barrier that holds you from realizing your actual selves of the third stage, that is contributors stage. First thing is expectation. Expectation is where you, since hitherto have enjoyed all the benefits of the society, you continue to think that society will give you more, and society will give you more, society will give you more, while you are preparing to become a civil servant, become a lawyer, or become a doctor or an engineer. At that stage also, you quite often see this institution is not good, the system is not helping, the family is not supporting, the finances are not there. No, at this stage, when whatever the society could give, it has given, and that's it. Now when you are at this stage, do not carry on with the initial stage of expectation. Expectation has to stop, because now you're going to deliver. You have to take charge of your own self. Don't expect from others. Very soon the society is going to expect from you. So it is very important that instead of expecting the society to continue giving, you should stop taking from the society and prepare for giving to the society. That's the first thing which I would like you to be staying away from. The second thing which I would like to stay away from is lack of focus. A lot of you at this stage, when you have come from the school and college, and then you are thinking of so many things at the same time. See, you can't contribute in the nation in multiple capacity at the same go. Maybe you can move on in your stages, but you have to be very focused. If you keep your focus like at too many places, you are not really having your energies synergized to a common focus, a common point. And then that is very vital. So I like you to ensure that you are not having blurred focus about where you want to contribute to the society. And third thing, probably the biggest of all killers that we have here, is procrastination. See, this is a very small time span that you have got. When you finish your college and you're going to contribute to the society, sometimes for some people it can be just a few weeks. For some it can be a few months. For some it can be a few years, but still is the shortest of the three phases that you have got. At this time, if you start saying that I will do it later, procrastination, well, of course, you don't have that time. Somebody who is not procrastinating would go and contribute to the nation, will go and grab whatever was your aim initially. You are in the ring now, you can't say that I'm not fighting, I'm not in mood to fight today. The time is passing. You have to value the time that you have in this stage, and every single day, unless you have decided to work towards the goal that you have got, somebody else is working towards that goal and may just achieve it. So it's very important that you don't procrastinate. So 3 things that I just mentioned to you, you have to be very, very clear about it. Don't expect anything from anybody. Have clear vision like Arjun, and also never ever imagine a procrastination. These snooze personalities, I don't expect you to be there. I want you to be one person who is very focused, razor sharp, and then it knows where it is actually heading. And I'm sure the shorter the time that you have got for this second stage, when you are preparing yourself to deliver for society, the better it is. My best wishes are with you.